I have found the best chicken recipe, and I don't think I'm gonna make chicken any other way because this is the juiciest, most flavorful way I have ever made chicken in my entire life, and I'm gonna show you how to make it today. So go ahead and save this video and download the Pepper app where I've posted the full recipe. Right now I'm just making a marinade with some butter, honey, garlic, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and now I'm seasoning my chicken with salt and pepper. Let your chicken sit in this marinade for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna heat some olive oil over a skillet and cook our chicken for about 8 minutes or until it's cooked all the way through. And I'm telling you, topped with a little bit of parsley, this is the most insane way to eat chicken. I don't think I can ever go back. Full recipe is on the Pepper app. You gotta try it.